Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we're going to be talking about how a simple trend line can be used for your swing trades and it can make you thousands of dollars. It's even crazy to think about a simple line on a stock chart can help determine if you should enter a position. It sounds crazy, but we're going to be talking about pretty much how to draw them out, how to use it, and make money from it. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you guys want to learn more about swing trading, check out our school. You guys can get 20% off right now, which is awesome. Code YouTube for 20% off. So click that link, sign up. It's not a get rich quick. It's not alerts or anything like that. It's simple strategies that I've used over the past 6 years to trade in the stock market. So check it out down below. It's awesome. But if not, let's watch this video and jump into this here. So the broker I am using here is Moomoo, and having a good broker is so important because you want to make sure that you can understand as much as possible about the stock that you're possibly entering. So this is a position that we actually just took on, was on Costco. But let's talk about why we entered this trade. So the first reason why is because it used something called a 90-day moving average line, which is this blue line right here. So this line here has good tendencies of acting as support, right? You can see where it hit it. We had that good buying pressure there. So now it establishes good support for future trades. So the next thing here that it had that I absolutely love, that's remove that, is it has heavy support here. It has heavy support actually on a horizontal line. So this right here, you can actually see when the stock popped above it. Each time it hits it, what do we see? Good buying pressure. So now for future trades, you go, okay, well, it's at the 90-day moving average line. It's also has good price support here. What else does this thing have? So another thing that it has is a trend line. So a trend line, what I always do to actually draw them out here is I'm going to click this trend line tool. So this helps pretty much make any line, not horizontal. You can make vertical, any one you want. So what I want to do here is I want to start at the current price. I want to pretty much left click so we can pretty much have that line. We're going to move up and to the left, right? We already drew this one, as you guys can see with the horizontal, but we'll look for a big dip here. So you can actually see that right there we're now, and then we're just going to continue to work our way down. So really, we do have a nice little trend like this, right? And you might be saying, well, Carter, doesn't it hit this? Yes. What you can actually do too is move and see if it actually continues, right? You can see here, just by the angle, I would be very surprised if it does, just because where the stock has gone, you can see that there's no chance that it hits. So that's pretty much the trend line right now. So looking at it, right, what do we see? It hits it here. Let's make it a little bigger here. So it hits it, buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure. Let's continue to have and go up this line almost in here. Would I consider this a touch? It's hard to say. Some traders do, some traders don't. I definitely think it helps give indication of buying pressure, but we'll just continue. Hits it again, and then recently hits it again. So we have several supports for this type of trade, right? We have trend line, we have horizontal line. Let's go ahead and draw that out. We have horizontal line. We also have a moving average line. So we have so many supports in our favor here. So the next thing that I would do before I ever take a trade is gonna be to understand the risk and reward. So this is why I love Moomoo, and I'm gonna continue to promote them because of how much money I make using them. But check them out down below. You guys can get 20 free stocks by signing up, so check them out. But anyways, more importantly here, they have this tool called the risk and reward tool. So what this does is you can draw out and plan out your trades. So my thought process was entering here. Actually, our entry price was actually a little lower. It will go about there. Keeping our stop loss about 2% from the current price. So this gives a risk and reward of about 2.67, which, yes, it might not seem like much. I understand that, but look at this here. This is why having good risk management is so important. So imagine if we started out here with like $500, maybe we took one trade a week. We risked that 2%, like I said, with a risk and reward of 0.6 here. Let's go ahead and see that. Our win-loss percentage, that just go 50%, because honestly, when you buy a stock, you have a 50-50 chance of making money. Okay, after 52 trades, so 1 year, your account is sitting at $1,100 by having good risk management. So we're risking $1 to make $2.60. That's why having good risk management is so important. I'm sure you've heard traders talk about it quite often, and that's how you draw it out. So you're planning out the trade, your entry, your exit, your stop loss. All that stuff is so incredibly important, and that's what makes up a trader. It's not these massive returns of 50, 60%. No, you'll never be a successful trader trading like that. It's too risky. You will be successful taking profit at 1, 2, 3% and just compounding your account that way. That's how I've done it, and that's the way I would highly recommend it. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care.